Also not eager to transform your morning routine into a daily dose of glamour. Today, we're exploring a treasure trove of dressing table design ideas that will redefine the way you get ready and add a touch of chic to your space. From minimalist vanities to vintage-inspired glamour stations, we've curated a collection that caters to every taste and elevates your daily routine. Say goodbye to ordinary mornings and hello to a dressing space that's as fabulous as you are. Whether you're into modern simplicity or crave a touch of Hollywood glam, we've got the inspiration you need to curate your perfect grooming space. Stick around for a journey through the art of dressing table design. Don't just get ready. Let's make it a ritual. Hit that subscribe button and let's embark on a design adventure together. Your dream dressing space is just a click away.
Elevate your grooming space with these stylish dressing table design ideas. Minimalist vanity. Option for a sleek and simple dressing table with clean lines and minimalist features for a modern look. Vintage-inspired dressing table. Infuse a touch of nostalgia with a vintage dressing table featuring ornate details and a classic mirror. Floating wall-mounted vanity. Save space and achieve a contemporary look with the wall-mounted dressing table that appears to float. Mirrored vanity. Add glamour with the mirrored dressing table, creating a chic and reflective focal point in your room. Multifunctional vanity with storage. Choose a dressing table with built-in drawers or shelves for efficient storage of cosmetics and accessories. Dressing table with integrated lighting. Enhance functionality with the dressing table featuring integrated LED lights for optimal illumination. Scandinavian-inspired vanity. Embrace simplicity and functionality with a Scandinavian dressing table featuring light wood tones and clean lines. Hollywood Glam vanity. Channel old Hollywood Glam with a large well-lit mirror and metallic accents for a luxurious feel. Foldable vanity. Optimize space with a foldable dressing table that can be tucked away when not in use. Glass top vanity. Achieve a modern and airy feel with the glass top dressing table, adding sophistication to your space. Rustic wooden vanity. Introduce warmth with the rustic wooden dressing table featuring natural textures and earthy tones. Customized built-in vanity. Maximize your space with a customized built-in dressing table that seamlessly blends with your room's design. Dresser with mirror. Combine functionality and style with the dresser that includes a mirror offering ample storage space. Vanity with stool or bench. Complete your dressing area with a matching stool or bench for added comfort and style. Folding mirror vanity. Explore a unique design with the folding mirror that allows you to adjust the angle for optimal reflection. Consider the available space, your storage needs, and the overall aesthetic of your room when choosing a dressing table design. Mix and match these ideas to create a personalized grooming space that suits your preferences. Hi there, if you are enjoying the content so far, why not take a moment to hit that subscribe button below? By subscribing, you shall stay updated with our latest videos and be a part of our awesome community. Join us on this incredible journey. Simply click that subscribe button now and ring the notification bell to never miss an upload. Thanks for being a part of our channel.